Introduction. Mung beans are a powerhouse of nutrition that can significantly boost your health and longevity. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, these tiny legumes are low in calories, yet high in protein and fiber, making them an excellent addition to any diet. Incorporating mung beans into your daily meals can help improve digestion, support heart health, and even aid in weight management. By focusing on healthy foods like mung beans, you not only nourish your body, but also enhance your overall well-being. Imagine the potential for improved health and longevity just by making simple dietary changes. So, let's dive deeper into the incredible benefits of mung beans and discover how they can transform your health journey. Nutritional profile of mung beans. Mung beans are incredibly rich in essential nutrients, making them a fantastic addition to your diet. They are an excellent source of vitamin C, which boosts your immune system and promotes healthy skin. Additionally, mung beans contain magnesium, a vital mineral that supports muscle function and helps regulate blood pressure. With only about 100 calories per cooked cup, they are a low-calorie option that fits perfectly into any weight management plan. Their high fiber content not only aids digestion, but also keeps you feeling full longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. By incorporating mung beans into your meals, you can enjoy these nutritional benefits while supporting your overall health and wellness. Antioxidant properties. Antioxidants are compounds that play a crucial role in combating oxidative stress, which can lead to cellular damage and various chronic diseases. Mung beans are rich in specific antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which are known for their powerful protective effects. These flavonoids help neutralize free radicals in the body, reducing inflammation and promoting overall health. By incorporating mung beans into your diet, you can enhance your antioxidant intake, which may lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. The antioxidant properties of mung beans not only support your immune system, but also contribute to healthier aging. Embracing these tiny legumes can be a delicious way to boost your body's defenses and promote long-term wellness. Digestive health benefits. Mung beans are a fantastic source of dietary fiber, which plays a vital role in promoting gut health. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements, making it easier to prevent constipation and improve overall digestion. By incorporating mung beans into your meals, you can enjoy their high fiber content, which adds bulk to your stool and encourages regularity. Additionally, the soluble fiber found in mung beans can act as a prebiotic, supporting a healthy microbiome by nourishing beneficial gut bacteria. A balanced microbiome is essential for optimal digestion and overall health. By adding mung beans to your diet, you not only enhance your digestive health, but also contribute to a thriving gut environment, paving the way for better nutrient absorption and overall well-being. Heart health and cholesterol management. Mung beans have a positive impact on heart health, particularly in lowering cholesterol levels. Their high fiber content helps reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, promoting a healthier lipid profile. Additionally, mung beans are rich in potassium and magnesium, two essential minerals that support heart function by helping to regulate blood pressure and maintain proper heart rhythm. Studies have shown that regular legume consumption, including mung beans, is linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. These findings suggest that incorporating mung beans into your diet can be a heart-healthy choice. By enjoying these nutritious legumes, you not only support your cardiovascular system, but also take proactive steps toward long-term heart health and overall wellness. Weight management and satiety. Mung beans are an excellent ally in weight management, primarily due to their high protein content. Protein plays a crucial role in promoting satiety, helping you feel fuller for longer, and reducing the likelihood of overeating. By incorporating mung beans into your meals, you can effectively control your appetite and make healthier food choices throughout the day. Additionally, mung beans have a low glycemic index, which means they release energy slowly and help maintain stable blood sugar levels. This slow release can prevent spikes in hunger and cravings, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. By adding mung beans to your diet, you can enjoy a nutritious, satisfying food that supports your journey toward a healthier weight. Versatile culinary uses. Mung beans are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, making them a fantastic ingredient to experiment with in your cooking. You can add them to hearty soups for added protein and texture, or toss them into fresh salads for a nutritious crunch. Mung beans can also be blended into smoothies or used to create delicious spreads and dips. Their mild flavor allows them to easily adapt to various cuisines, from Asian stir-fries to Mediterranean dishes. Plus, cooking mung beans is simple and quick, making them a convenient option for busy weeknights. So don't hesitate to get creative in the kitchen. Try incorporating mung beans into your meals and discover the delightful flavors and health benefits they bring. Conclusion, in summary, mung beans are a nutritional powerhouse that offers numerous health benefits, contributing to improved longevity and overall well-being. Their rich content of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants supports heart health, digestive function, and weight management. By incorporating mung beans into your diet, you can enjoy their versatility in various dishes while reaping the rewards of their health-promoting properties. We encourage you to explore the many ways to include mung beans in your meals for a healthier lifestyle. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family for more valuable health tips. Together, let's embrace the journey to better health and longevity.